Hi YouTube. Today, I am making slime with any dish soap and Colgate toothpaste, anyone, and a string mixture, and you can use a bowl or a cap. I'm using a cap. So right now, we're gonna add this. I'm only make a little bit back some in the freezer already. So it depends how much toothpaste you'll need. Okay, I got it open, and I'm gonna add that much. Please ask your parents before doing this. Please ask your parents before doing this if you couldn't hear me. So just stir it. Come on, guys, that's the camera. Okay, for that. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the cap. We have this, and then I'm gonna stir with this. And as it gets like a really thick looking, it's gonna look cool. And it's gonna look like the toothpaste color, maybe. I don't know if it's on mine, so like that.